Morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Raymond, age 39. I am from Cavite, Philippines. Married and with 2 children. I have 14 years old son and 9 years old daughter. My hobbies are organizing things, cooking, singing, and driving. I am a dog lover and I have dog at home. My experience is elderly care. I have promising experience as a senior caregiver in elderly community in Malta, Europe for 2 years, from April 21 to March 2023. My duties are assisting elderly with their hygiene, bathing, preparing, and eating meals. Medicines, transfer from bed to wheelchair, doing household, washing clothes and creating a positive mindset to them by making them happy. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and for permission of my children's education. I am very much willing to take care of the elderly with sincerity and patience. You, my future employer, sir, ma'am, and very much thank you for appreciation. Thank you.